Ready to elevate your beauty game? Let's explore Amazon's finest luxury beauty products. From glamorous makeup kits to stunning lipsticks, Amazon has everything you need to transform your look. Start your day with a refreshing face wash and follow up with luxurious creams that leave your skin glowing. Keep fresh all day with divine deodorants and treat yourself to heavenly scented soaps. For hair that wows, indulge in premium shampoos and nourishing hair oils. Each product is designed to make you feel fabulous and confident every day. So, why wait? Tap into the luxury you deserve with Amazon. Don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks, and click the link in the description to shop these amazing products now. Your beauty transformation starts here.